How was your vacation last week? How was Darjeeling? You're from Delhi? How is it? These are the kind of questions you're very likely to hear on an everyday basis. People want to know the place that you've been to and want you to describe it so that they can experience it as well. Figuratively, of course. It can be a little hard to figure out how to answer this spontaneously. Today, we're going to talk about how to respond to such questions and talk about places with 3 simple aspects. Hi, I'm Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary learn it together English fluency program. And with Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective. And we promise a whole new you in 6 months or less. So here are the 3 ways you can describe a place. You could talk about the climate, how the general weather is, right? The climate. Is it hot? Is it cold? Is it cloudy? Does it rain a lot? You can also talk about how it made you feel. How does the place feel? How is the vibe in that place, right? And we'll talk more about that. And of course, how it looks. Let's talk about how we can use these to describe a place and describe it well without thinking too much about what words to use. Let's start with one example. Ladakh is beautiful. The climate there was very cold, but it was a peaceful place. Notice how I am describing the look, I'm describing the climate, and I'm describing how it felt. It was peaceful. Beautiful, cold, peaceful. A very good picture portrayed through just these 3 simple words. Now I have a good idea as to how Ladakh was. Let's move on to the next example, but before that, a quick word about Capshine. Capshine lets you learn English and build your foundations through the use of multiple things. You get to learn and practice as a group. You get to speak in a group in a realistic fashion. You get a personal coach who gives you customized feedback and gives you a monthly fluency tracker so you know exactly where you stand every month. And daily micro lessons that help you challenge yourself and build your foundations to become a better user of the language. I'll tell you more about this in the end of the video, so stay tuned. Let's continue with another example. I recently visited the stunning pyramids of Giza. The monument was quite interesting and wonderful. So here I'm specifically describing a monument. I'm calling it stunning, how it looks. I'm also describing how it feels, interesting and wonderful. There is no mention of climate or weather here, however, because it's a monument, it doesn't really make sense here. One more. The hills of Ooty are high and green. The air feels so pure there. Notice what a lovely imagery it creates. You get a feel as if you're already there. So what am I doing here? I'm talking about the altitude, high. So this shows that you're going to be in tall mountain ranges. You're going to see elevations. You're going to be in an elevation. It's going to be filled with trees and greenery. And also it tells you about how it feels there, or rather the climatic condition and how it makes you feel. If the air is very pure, the air feels very pure. Gives a really good imagery and feel of how that location is. Here are some more words you can use to describe places. A place can be strange. It could be lively, full of energy and full of people. It could be attractive, so there could be a lot of monuments or historical sites. Or it could just be how it's put together, attractive. Delightful, something that delights you, something that excites you. Calm, like a peaceful place. Traditional, where there are a lot of monuments, a lot of traditions available. Warm or rainy. All these are words you could use to describe a particular place. Let's put together everything that we've learned so far. Can you pick the right words to fill in the blank? You can pause the video and try it out for yourself. The sentence says, the Marina Beach in Chennai is blank and blank, the sand there is blank. So which of these words could fill in the blank? Well, let's check it out. So you could say it was crowded and windy. The sand there is very soft. You could say that it was rainy and crowded, that's also fine. But as a general description, you would probably use words that are relevant to the beach. I hope you found that informative. Make sure you use this nugget of wisdom when describing places you've been to or the place that you live in. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification to not miss any more videos from us. And of course, don't forget to check out your 30-day free membership by going to capshine.com or downloading the app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.